Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and I hope everybody's having a beautiful day from wherever you're watching. For me, I am just having a wonderful day, and as you can see behind me, I am filming from the newly refreshed studio space. I'm so happy I did that. I love being in here again. It's fun to shoot things in here. It's fun to work in here again. If you haven't seen that video, I did that roughly about a month and a half ago. But I will film, or I'll post a link to that video in the description box below so you can check that out. But in this week's video, I wanted to let everybody know that I started reno work again on the mid-century ranch house. I am on phase 3 of the project, which consists of all the bedrooms, and there are 4 bedrooms in the home. I'm working on the first bedroom, which honestly, it's the worst bedroom of the 4. It was the catch-all room for everything in the house. So there was just a ton of prep work. There was a ton of cleanup just before we could even start working on this room. But it's also the most satisfying for me. I think out of all the rooms that we're doing and have done, just to see the before and the after and make this now a functioning room again, very satisfying, and that makes me happy. So yeah, the bedrooms are just going to be really straightforward. We're carrying the same flooring from the rest of the house into all the bedrooms, so we have that nice cohesive flow going into every single room. They will all get new doors, new moldings, the new paint. The popcorn ceiling is going to be scraped off of all the ceilings, and each bedroom will also get new dual pane windows installed in them. Currently, they're the original 1950s aluminum windows, which were single paned, and they don't work very well, and they're not very energy efficient. So this will be a very nice upgrade. But yeah, let's check out the videos, and you can see the process I went through, and I will be right back. So this is just a video of the room before we started. Most of the furniture has already been taken out, but as you can see, there's still a lot left in. Yeah, there's just a lot of stuff that had to come out. This wall has been partially prepped. I had like a shingle, a cedar shingle coating on it, so that's all coming off. All the popcorn ceilings being scraped off. And the floor was badly damaged, so the best thing is we primed it to seal it and everything before we laid the floor down. Here we're just priming all the walls and the ceiling. And I'm taking the siding off the outside window just so we can be prepped and ready to remove this old window when we get to that stage. We have removed the old window, just weatherproofing it before we put in the new one. And now we're putting a fresh new coat of paint on everything, the walls and the ceiling. And as you can see here, we're just installing all the new vinyl flooring. We put the underlayment underneath it and just laying this flooring down. And the rooms are small, so it didn't really take that long to install the flooring. And yeah, so here's the final walkthrough. As you can see, it was carried through into the closet. Would need to replace the entry door into the bedroom, but I think we're going to wait till we have all the bedrooms done so we can do all the doors at once. So that was this week's video. I hope everybody enjoyed it. It was a lot of work in a very short amount of time. So yeah, very tired, very sore, but yeah, also very happy that it's done, except for the few minor little things that need to be done, as I mentioned in the video, but it's looking really great. I'm very happy with it. We just need to finish those few little things, stage it, and we'll move on to the next 2 bedrooms. I'm gonna try to do 2 bedrooms on the next time. So yeah, if you do like the videos, please remember to give me a thumbs up, and also remember to like and subscribe. It really does help me a lot, and I really do appreciate it. And I will see everybody all. Why do I keep saying that? Anyway, I will see everybody next week. Bye.